South Africa ngibona ukuthi ukuthi kubo bonke abantu bofika abalapha eSouth Africa abadayisa emakhemisi out bakhona abantu base-South Africa abasebenza nomsebenzi kubo bonke abanamasonto. Ngomhla ka-20 sinomhlangano eThekwini sithi 0727746107 lokhu kumayelana nama-multi shop, kumayelana namasonto. Sizokhipha bonke abantu abakhona eSouth Africa abamasonto nabemithi. Inyanga ayihlangane bafowethu. Jikho nje ngishoyo silapha kwaNongoma ngiphethe umfowethu uphakathi umthakathi.
Cha ngempela bafowethu amasonto awavale inyanga ngomuntu abantu abadayisa imithi ufika bedayisa ngisho imithi engadayiswa lapha ezweni ngoba kukhona imithi ongeke uyidayise unyaka wonke. Khona umuntu udayiswa ngesikhathi esithile kuphela. Kodwa manje ngenxa yokuthi le mpilo ezitolo ibhalwa multi shop seyibhalwe seyithathwe ngabantu bokufika nakhona lo muthi akubhaliwe ukuthi multi shop, ubhalwe ukuthi multi shop bese kuthiwa leyo nto leyo kuzoyithola ngaphakathi right. Udayiswa lapha mfethu izinto okungafanele idayiswe, udayiswa ichitho, udayiswa onukani, udayiswa zonke lezi zinto othola ukuthi isichitho nje uma ngabe umuntu ethenga isichitho lapha kulesi store ngokomthetho into efana naleyo ayingene ekhaya. Kodwa manje ngoba umuntu uyifaka esikhwameni uzuyongena naye ekhaya. Manje le mithi le edayiswa kulezi zitolo edayiswa ngabantu bokufika amaSomali namaBangladesh nama-Ethiopians nenyanga zakoKongo nako-Nigeria abazazi lezo zinto vele bona bangabathakathi abazona inyanga bangabathakathi banika imithi okungafanele ingene ekhaya beyithathe lo muntu iqaqa lingene ekhaya kodwa bakudayisela umuntu uthakwe ngekhaya alingene ekhaya ichithamuzi alingene ekhaya kodwa manje leyo mithi uthola ukuthi iba khona kulezi ithako zemithi yabo bese uthatha umuthi wena ungwala kwaNongoma uthatha umuthi ongena nawe ekhaya ubhidli umuzi uphele nyanga. Manje sifuna ukubuyisa ke bafowethu uma sikhuluma impilo laba bakhona bathi ke Mzimba abathi hayi thina sikhuluma ngama-truck shop sikhuluma ngama-industries khuluma phela ngama-industries. Asibone abantu abaseduze kwakho asibone abantu abaseduze kwakho bekuma-industries njengoba ethi uMalema nje yena akakhulumi ngama-truck shop akakhulumi ngemisebenzi ukhuluma ngama-industries. Sicela ukubona abaholi be-EFF sibona abaholi bawo wonke amalunga onke e-EFF nama-industries onke sizosebenza kuwona ukuze sibone ukuthi ubani oqamba amanga umdala inkukhu neqanda. Asizukudlala abantu la ngolo mhla kwesibili ngomhla ka-16 insizwa ziphelele kwaNongoma zonke ekhaya insizwa zonke iphelele kwaNongoma sizothatha umthetho wokuthi ngomhla ka-19 emthandazweni sizothini ngomhla ka-30 kuyothini ngoba kufanele sibatshele abantu bakithi laba Nongoma.
Usekhulumela uphakathi umthakathi nami ngibheke eThekwini manje kodwa kusasa ngiyabuya ngenxa ukuthi mhla ka-16 sobe sila mhla ka-1920 sisentabeni yezulu emthandazweni insizwa zonke siyothandaza sofushela umhla ka-30 njalo ukuthi bafowethu asihlanganeni. Okunye okubalulekile ningakhohlwa bafowethu ukufaka isapoti lelokhu niyifaka njalo njengoba silapha entabeni nje sizobe kufanele iy'nsizwa zidle lapha kufanele iy'nsizwa igeze lapha kufanele iphuze amanzi lapha. Ilapho enizobona khona ukuthi lo mnikelo o-20 rand o-50 rand enibafakayo benzani. Ilapho enizobona-ke mhla ka-19 2021
so besikwaceza futhi sizolala entabeni ngomhla ka-19 lapha ngoba asinayo i-transport yokuya Waceza. Sizolala la entabeni kodwa masivuka ekuseni sizohamba siyokuthamela lo mthandazo uWaceza ngokwengonyama sokuthamela bese kuthi ntambama sithi ngomhla ka-19 sibuyele entabeni. Khona abahlekisayo-ke Mzimba khona abahlekisayo bathi hayi uMzimba noPhakela bathanda imali hayi bathanda imali wamanayo mfowethu ake sikhulume nalo iqiniso Mzimba. Sibiziwe nje sibizwe eThembisa sila kwaNongoma basikhuluma
nasevenda kade besibizwe
ngicela ukubuza kulabo abathi sithanda imali
usihamba ngani
ngicela ukubuza asicela ukuyeka ukucela ukuthi abantu abasilekelele ukuthi sifike kulezo ndawo wena-ke uthi thina sithanda imali ake usho wena-ke ukuthi nansi indlela elula esingahamba ngayo ngaphandle kwemali sizoyimukela. Abaningi mholi wami bayalwa balwela ukuthi wena uyelinye iqembu mina ngelinye iqembu ubacengwane ungelinye iqembu omunye ungelinye iqembu thina siyifihlile ukuthi singamaphi ngoba sinabo ubuxoki savela sayiveza ukuthi singamaphi amaqembu kodwa lokho ubuqembu asibusebenzise kulento esiyenzayo. Bathi-ke abantu kuzoba noqhekeko phakathi kwethu thina-ke bafowethu singabalapha kwaZulu lapha kwaZulu uqhekeka lukho uqhekeko kulona othi nje kuzoba noqhekeko akakathatha isibuko asidunisele abe sebuka kanje abone ukuthi uqhekeka lukho nemva kwakhe thina ngeke sibe nalo uqhekeko thina
siyabonga manje bafowethu ngicela ukhandle ukuthi amakhamera kuthina
yes
ngoba lelo thina besiphatha kuhlumeza ngalo
mase nina nisukuma ngizocela ukuthi amakhamera siwacisha ngoba i-peaceful march anisebenzisi
asisebenzisi thina i-peaceful march thina siyobatshela ukuthi abahambe asibaceli la march yethu siyayithanda futhi siyayisupport kodwa thina asinayo ipeace ezweni lakithi
no alisenethi
yabo into esizoyenza thina manje socela amakhosi sicela induna sicela impolomani ukuthi zisize zibacele kahle ukuthi abasuke bahambe emhlabeni yamakhosi eXhobo lelani malipho mzongombani nakho sobacela bahle basibatshele baba umntathu thina buthi tshela mntathu asisebenzisi peace march ayisebenzi kwabhaqa ipeace march
mhlawumbe lese esinye sezathu besenza ukuthi obhuti abadala singababoni kulama mashi abehleliwe bengapha ko South Coast abehlele ofele emntweni omfazi ogcwele kanjalo because nina nohlelo lwenu olithinta nina njengesizwe
subhaqa nenhlangwini nokhosi
baba wami alisenethi
thina mfethu esiqala lento yethu ngoba bhuti into ebuhlungu lento uheyijeke into yabantu endleleni ongayazi kahle ampheleli ibuhlungu ngoba manje yosocela thina sesenza into esingayazi yabo thina bafo ngiyacela qesa manje thina masisiqosha abantu emhlabeni bomkhulu ngeke sithi le peace march ngeke sitshela abantu abangenamaphepha manje
hayi no hayi listen ethini ebengifisa ukuzwa nje ukuthi niyahambisana niyayisupport i-march and march as ingapha i-South Coast nanokuthi futhi niyakusupport ukuthi abantu laba ba-illegal kumele ukuthi bahambe babuyele kwela kubo
i-march and march iyinto yesizwe yinto esikholwa kakhulu kuyona
baba wami
2 i-march and march iqale umhlahlandlela sonke mase kushiyane kwenza
bavalelekile lapha ifoshoni
kushiyane kwenza
hayi no hayi listen ethini sibonga kakhulu
siyabonga futhi
danke ndona
bafowethu nishani ayingikhona mina hayi bafana phela umthathu wanyazisela ama-foreigner abafana bakithi ayaxokozela bafana ngicabanga ukuthi nama-advert aveza uphela umthakathi manje kuthiwa cisha ama-TV umoya omubi ushamaza ezanye ngisho nezwi nje ingane mazidlala ngegama lithi phela umthakathi nje ziyaxoshwa kuthiwa abanodlala phandle ninabafana yazi bafana nina uphela umthanda ngesikhathi ehlanganisa insizwa evakashela oSouth Coast kudlala umdlalo wenduku kuvakashela wonongoma kuvakashela womkhomazi yabo udlalwa induku laphana thuphakela umthakathi usule into yokwenza lento ayenzayo nje ayikhokheli hayi ngeke nje mina ngihlale nje isport nje esingakhokheli gxekwa labantu abadlala induku kanti uphakathi umthakathi uhlanganisa insizwa uhlanganisa ibutho lezinsizwa elizokwazi kumele iSouth Africa namhlanje niyakubona ukudlala induku bafowethu ukuthi kube kubaleke kanjani ukuthi kuhlangana izinsizwa kuhlangane izigodi zihlangane ikwazi uklinizwa manje nabo siphethe ophawu lomthakathi ofele emntwini yabo okhwishi baze baduma nabo baziwa bafowethu and ibutho lezinsizwa lonke ilele abelihamba nophawu lomthakathi bafowethu sibona lapha amavidiyo nenduku yatrendayo kudlala bafowethu induku kuhlanganiswa izinsizwa kuphinde kube nama messages abedluliswa lapha ukuthi moyinsizwa ziphatha kanjani yabo so ngibonile abantu abaningi begxeka ukuthi ophawu lomthakathi basola into okwenza last year kuthiwa hayi nje babhizi ngabe babofuna amatoho emsebenzini babhizi badlala nenduku babhizi baxoxa benza ama meeting angathi issue namhlanje siyabona bafowethu nani niyabona iMarch and March ukuthi bengenalo bafowethu isasasa engafika uphayela umthakathi nebutho lezinsizwa bafowethu beyikhona iMarch and March singathi bafowethu iMarch and March mhlambe bengekho beyikhona iMarch and March nje kuyinto nje yabo ingenayo nje le ndaba ukuthi ngazi upresident ethula ispeech kodwa kuthe mangena uphayela umthakathi nebutho lezinsizwa nongizomchuni bafowethu beseke iMarch and March siyabona manje ukuthi bafethu izulu lexozela ngempela idate yomhla ka30 bengeke iziphume esidalo kuthiwa akeze kufika uphayela umthakathi upresident bengaze akhulume esidalo mayelana nama-foreigner kuthiwa uphayela umthakathi abazange besukume bafowethu so bafethu izinsizwa ngeke sikufihlele bafethu izinsizwa zinamandla ukudlula konke bafowethu ibutho nje lezinsizwa bafowethu zinamandla vele ongakuthani lokho bafethu haya akefe akayazibulala bafethu ngithi apha amandla insizwa apho lapha ngithi khuphukani izinsizwa khuphukani ubutho lezinsizwa bafethu yihle into eniyenzayo bafethu ngiyayincoma nami bafethu
Phakela Umthakathi has now called for foreign owned churches and shops in South Africa to close or by or before the 30th of June. So whether people agree with him or not, one thing is becoming clear. His message is attracting a whole lot of attention, and more people seem willing to join his marches and demonstrations. My biggest concern is just one concern. It's not just the message itself, but what could happen if emotions begin to take over. Large movements can quickly become difficult to control. Very, very difficult. If ordinary citizens start demanding even IDs from people in the streets, that could easily ignite violence or lead to confrontations and misunderstandings and even violence. South Africa has the right to debate immigration and border security, but any action must remain lawful, peaceful, and controlled. Once anger replaces order, innocent people, both locals and foreigners, can end up getting hurt, or even worse, death can be a result to this. The challenge is making sure concerns are addressed without allowing the situation to spiral into chaos. So I hope that the police will actually work with the local South Africans in these marches. Police all over the country should work with locals just to actually control everything, so that everything is done safely. But let's have a conversation. Please leave us a comment and leave us a like, and just tell me what you think about this overall video.